फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम बनाने वाले हैं पेपर सोप, DIY पेपर soap. So it will not same in covering and same in color, but yeah guys, it will work same like this paper soap works. So guys, if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So yeah guys, let's get started. For making paper soap, I'm taking this paper soaked earbud and water. Now I'll put some water on the soap and I will rub the earbud.